ball valves for a shut-off for your home. The plastic ones are really not good. They deteriorate. And the old, twistable type ones that you see on most hose setups, that's a lot of work. Not necessarily a lot of work, but if something blows in the house, you just want to run out here and just pull a lever, because water floods the house very quickly. Alright, well, let's take this off and change the filter. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Oh, forgot something. Turn the water off. Imagine that. And then there is a valve over here to release the pressure. Sorry about that, I forgot to do that. Make sure you do that first, you'll never get this thing off, because it is under the pressure. See, what a difference. Okay, just gentle. Okay. Now last time we got the filter, a different one, a little lesser quality one, because they were out of the better ones, the charcoal. And you can see when we got this was white. So that is pretty nasty. You don't want to be drinking water out of there. Just dump this up. Then just open your new filter. Again, this is a carbon filter, so it really gets rid of the odor. Much better than just a sediment type. And then this seal, like every second time, it still has some silicone on it. I use like a silicone to keep this O-ring fresh, because if not, it could dry out, deteriorate because of water. Over time it'll crack. And just put this back on. And I just give it a few snugs, not too tight. That's good enough. Turn your water on. I actually had it on bypass because the filter was so bad. You can run this setup a couple different ways. You could have it be off. You can have it this is off, so no water goes through at all. This is filter, straight back, and then this bypasses the filter, so it does not go through here. But now that we have a nice new filter, we'll just switch it over to filter. Then what you need to do is just go in the house and run the water for about 10 or 15 minutes, and you'll see the carbon, you'll see a little bit of black spots come out. And once the water clears, you're okay.